In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate purchase order processing with Asana AI Studio. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a smart automation in place that checks for missing details and alerts the right person, helping your team avoid delays and keep everything running smoothly. Start by logging into your Asana account and opening the project where purchase orders are managed. It's important to use the correct project, since this is where the automation will operate and where your team already handles this type of work. Once you're inside the project, go to the top section and click on Customize. This opens a panel where you can adjust how your project functions, including its automation settings. From there, select Rules to view any existing automations connected to the project. Then click Add Rule and choose the option to create one from scratch. This is where you'll define exactly how your automation should behave. In the input field, write a clear and direct prompt describing what you want the system to do. For example, you can instruct it to check for missing details like vendor name, amount, and due date whenever a new purchase order task is created, and then notify the person responsible. Keep your language simple and consistent with the field names your team already uses. After entering your prompt, continue and allow Asana AI to generate the rule for you. The system will break your request into 3 parts: the trigger, the condition, and the action. Take a moment to review each part carefully. The trigger should activate when a new task is added, the condition should verify whether required fields are incomplete, and the action should prompt the assigned person to provide the missing information. If you want to refine how the system communicates, you can enable additional guidance and include brief instructions for tone or formatting. While this step is optional, it can help ensure that notifications are clear and consistent for your team. Once everything looks correct, finalize the setup by creating or publishing the rule. To confirm that it works as expected, add a new purchase order task and intentionally leave out one of the required details. The automation should immediately respond by notifying the assigned person to complete the missing information. If it doesn't trigger, review your field settings and make sure everything is configured properly. With this setup in place, your purchase order workflow becomes more reliable, reducing manual follow-ups and keeping your process organized from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.